Your subconscious mind has no sense of humor at all, and it believes everything that you say or you think. It has no filters, it's like a sponge. It takes everything in. Hi, welcome back. My name is Shireen Saluja, and on this channel we talk about radical self-love. Radical self-love is the ultimate act of self-discipline, and today I want to talk about the law of attraction and your subconscious mind. Now, did you know that about 80 to 90% of what you currently have in your physical reality, good, bad, ugly, neutral, doesn't matter, 80 to 90% is controlled by your subconscious mind? Yes, that's right. Your subconscious mind is a powerhouse, and it can actually make all your dreams and desires come true. It is like having your personal genie, but you need to know how to work with it rather than working against it. And most of us are knowingly or unknowingly working against it. Believe it or not, your subconscious mind loves you unconditionally and wants to give you everything that you want. But it can only deliver to you what you believe is true or what you feel is true. So we don't have to control the way we think, or we don't have to control our subconscious mind. The only thing that we need to pay close attention to is the way we feel. When it comes to the law of attraction, yes, what you say and what you think is very important, but your feelings are supreme. So let's say if there ever was a battle between your words and your thoughts, and your feelings would win every single time, hands down. That is how important your feelings are. Never ever ignore the way you feel. Another crucial link to your subconscious mind is sleep. We human beings spend a third of our lives sleeping. So that is a huge chunk of time gone sleeping. Sleep is extremely crucial. Sleep is when we rest and recover. But more importantly, sleep is also the time when your subconscious mind goes to work. It is the realm of your subconscious, it is the world of your subconscious mind. Okay? So, what you're doing or how you're feeling right before you go to bed is absolutely critical. Okay? You should be very mindful about how you're spending the last half an hour or 1 hour before you go to bed. And this time should actually consist of some bedtime rituals that are absolute and that are sacred and that are non-negotiable. If these bedtime rituals can help you feel really good or just like a king or a queen right before you go to bed, then that's it. That is the secret key to manifesting whatever it is that you want to manifest in your life right now. For some people, this could mean that they need to do a bit of journaling and write some really positive affirmations before they go to bed. For some people, this could mean having a shower before they go to bed. For some people, this could simply mean using their most expensive skincare before going to bed so that they can feel like a king or a queen right before or right as they fall asleep. Okay, for others, it could simply mean having a really clean and tidy space, having a really nicely made bed. All these things will make you feel really good about yourself and your life as you fall asleep. For me, I should not watch any news or anything thought-provoking or anything negative right before I go to bed. Drinking coffee in the evening or drinking alcohol in the evening doesn't go down very well with my system, so I need to avoid that. So you need to take out some time and think about what works for you, what doesn't work for you. When do you really feel good? If you want to become rich, feel rich first. If you want to become successful, feel successful first. If you want to manifest a new job, feel how you would feel as if you already had that job. And feeling like this moments before you fall off to sleep is the secret key. It is the only secret you need to know. When you go to sleep, your conscious mind and your subconscious mind unite. Okay? This is the time when your conscious mind impresses upon your subconscious mind whatever it believes is true, whatever it feels is true. And this then becomes like a command for your genie, your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind, upon waking up, must go to work and manifest that situation. So let's say you go to bed feeling not good enough. You feel lack and limitations when you go to bed. Your subconscious mind will see that as a command and it will go to work and create more situations where you will feel not good enough, lack, and limitations. On the other hand, if you go to bed feeling like a king or a queen, or if you go to bed feeling really good, really high vibe, really abundant, then the next morning upon waking up, your subconscious mind will create more situations when you feel good, when you feel rich, when you feel abundant, and this will continue. The secret is that you should feel like an absolute king or an absolute queen as you drift off to sleep. And that, my friend, will help you manifest the life of your dreams. With that said, I'm going to wrap today's video up. I hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.